Hello and welcome. Today we'll be taking a tour of TeleGeography's SD-WAN Pricing module. When you log into your account and access the SD-WAN Pricing module, you're taken to this landing page. As you can see, there are two main pieces here, our SD-WAN Market Summary and our SD-WAN Pricing. Let's take a look at the pricing first. Now, if you're a user of any of our other pricing apps, you'll notice that the SD-WAN pricing is a little bit different. And that's because SD-WAN pricing is very dependent on what a user's network looks like. And so we wanted to enable users to input their unique network specifications and be able to benchmark what they should be paying for an SD-WAN overlay. And this calculator is the result. So here you can input how many sites are in your network that correspond with each of these different bandwidth ranges. So here we're adding some sites at higher capacities and the pricing updates in real time in these calculated results below. So we've broken this out into NRC. What is the price of that SD-WAN appliance at an individual network site or software downloaded onto a white box? Your MRC, what are the monthly recurring charges for that encrypted throughput pushed through that SD-WAN appliance, any software licensing fees, and most important, what is the total cost of that network overlay going to be? And we've also included an interactive charting feature here to showcase by provider type what those prices will be. You can see the individual vendor price points here in the dots, and also the stats, min, max, median pricing reported. We've broken this down by vendor here in the blue. So if you're sourcing unmanaged SD-WAN from a vendor such as Fortinet, Cisco, HPE, in the middle, a basic SD-WAN service from an MSP or carrier, like your AT&Ts and Verizons, and all the way to the right here in the green, a premium managed SD-WAN service from your carrier or MSP. So that's going to include some of those advanced network monitoring or security features. And if you have any questions about these different provider breakouts or our survey assumptions, we do have a handy notes field down here that details them for you. So going back to our landing page and taking a look at the other piece of our SD-WAN pricing module, our market summary. And this is an annual report where we detail the biggest trends in the SD-WAN market. So for example, any mergers and acquisitions between big players, what service features providers are using to distinguish their offerings, and also pricing trends over time. And if you're interested in security, specifically SASE and SSE pricing, this is the place to find it. This report does include the results from our SASE pricing survey and outlines the price per user for different types of enterprises for a SASE service. We've also included a hypothetical network scenario that shows you the implications of incorporating some of these security features into your network. If you scroll over to the left here, you can also see there's a data download section, and this includes an Excel file which details all of the announced partnerships between SD-WAN vendors and carriers and MSPs. And if you ever need any extra help, there's always our help and methodology section to answer any questions about what the different service definitions are and how we survey participants. Thank you. Have a great day.